Excuse me, hello. I think there has been a mistake.
Okay, what's happened?
You see my bill? It says
5,434.5.
56.
There's no mistake, that's the amount.
No, but I only use an electric blanket.
The only mistake is that it is 2 weeks overdue and hasn't been paid.
But it is my birthday.
It doesn't matter. How would you like to pay?
Do you think I am stupid enough to pay a $10,000 electricity bill?
Unfortunately, you have no choice. You have to pay it.
And what if I do not? What if I do not?
Your electricity will be cut off.
You will cut my electricity. You will cut my electricity.
You will cut my...
Electricity.
You will cut my...